D&A Locksmith is an operated business that believes customer service is an essential part of any business. With this in mind, we have dedicated our efforts to ensuring your complete satisfaction. Welcome to D&A Locksmith. We are a 24-hour mobile locksmith service. We are experienced in all aspects of lock installations, repairs and replacements for your house, auto or business. D&A Locksmith experts in security and can provide and service high-security locks, rekeying all locks, replacing lost transponder VAT keys, replacing all types of automotive locks, CCTV and video surveillance systems, phone systems, alarm systems, keyless entry systems, and access control. Welcome to D&A Locksmith.